Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Advocate Preeti Bansal. Today we are going to understand an important concept of property law, that is Lis Pendens, which is covered under section 52 of the Transfer of Property Act 1882. So to understand this concept, first we'll start with a question, that is, can a property be sold during the court litigation? So to answer this question, we'll go to the section 52 of the Property Act, that is lis pendens. Lis pendens is nothing but during the pendency of the suit. So the section says that when a property is pending before the court in the legal dispute, it cannot be transferred in such a way that it affects the rights of the parties to the suit. Therefore, with this, we can understand this, that the transaction is not void, but it is subject to the result of the court case. Therefore, to understand this concept in detail, we can take a help of Supreme Court case, that is Jayaram Mudaliar versus Ayaswamy. In this case, during the property dispute, one party sold the property to the third person, where the buyer argued that I was not a party to the suit. So here the court says that it doesn't matter. Anyone who buys property which is under litigation, then the buyer buys it at its own risk. Therefore, he is bound to face the consequences of the result of the court case. So we can understand with this concept that purchasing a property which is under dispute is under high risk, and the buyer has to face the consequences of such purchase. Hope you have understood the concept. Next video will come across such another topic. Thank you.